Welcome back. I don't know what happened, guys. It just got cut off. I have no idea, but welcome back. Welcome to InvestDesk, your number one channel for cryptocurrency investing, daily news updates and forecast. And in this live stream, we are going to be talking about, of course, we were talking about Safemoon and Dogecoin, but we're going to do it again just so that we know where we were. Comparing the two cryptos, we just added Safemoon to our portfolio. Awesome. I think it was a great move, at least from the channel's perspective, because the price just got doubled in a couple of days, right? It just went through the roof in the last 2 days, and it's still way up. So I'm going to be talking about this. So welcome back. If you're just joining in, I'm back with the same live stream. Let me go ahead and first, while I'm at it, I'm not going to go anywhere. Try to set up my chat here and see if I'm still live, and at the same time I need to be talking to you guys, so thank you guys for your support, by the way. I appreciate you joining and being on this channel. We were talking about Dogecoin versus Safemoon, and of course there are two different coins. One is inflationary and the other one is deflationary, which means it has a certain cap. And what's fascinating about Safemoon is it's just not, more of a cap itself, but the coins are burned. In other words, the depreciating supply of the coins is the key element. There we go. So we're back. Welcome back, guys. All right. So the way Safemoon is designed is that the coins or the tokens are going to be depreciating. In other words, in about 400 days or 600 days, there will be no more coins. Just a year and some months. That's what the developers say. I do attend their AMA meeting. There was a few last week, and there's every Tuesday. Today also some exciting updates from the developers I want to share right now, right here with you. So you can make an informed decision. So Safemoon is already on the moon. The price got doubled, right? I bought it at 1213, and now it's at 3032, and of course it went all the way up to 50, guys. That's 5 times. So $1,000 would grow into $5,000, $10,000 will grow into $50,000, and it did. So, and even more, $100,000 will go into 500K, and it did just in 2 days. Believe it or not, it actually happened. So, welcome back. Thanks, Benjamin. Thanks, Logan. Awesome to have you guys here. We're talking about Safemoon versus Dogecoin. Logan holding 82K Doge, still holding. Yeah, I'm holding too. We're all holding. Dogecoin is definitely long term as a stable currency, right? And that's really what it is. So what we want to be able to do is, of course, hold Doge as much as possible. But the key differences between these two coins are the designs that I just talked about. That's the first key difference. But Safemoon, the reason why I added Safemoon to the portfolio at InvestDesk is because to give it a little bit of twist, right? Yeah, we like that, don't we? Is that a right word? Twist? Oh, make our life exciting, guys. How about that? That it should be exciting, right? So Safemoon is relatively new coin, just came out a couple of months ago, and we're riding this wave early right now. So if you guys or whatever it is you decide on buying Safemoon, I bought it, a little over 20 billion coins. I bought a couple of days, still buying at the dips. I think it's going to be a phenomenal coin in my own opinion, but don't hold me to it, guys. You guys make your own informed decisions. That's what we're talking about. So let me quickly share some charts about Safemoon, and then we'll talk about, of course, the differences between Dogecoin and this crypto. So thanks, welcome back. The original stream got cut off, so I don't know what happened, but back one more time. So make sure you subscribe. Smash that like button, guys, and hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time, because this is your channel. InvestDesk is your channel where you get the latest news, updates, forecast right here. So let's check out the chart. And I was talking about this before the stream broke, but we're back. So this is Safemoon, guys. It went all the way up to 50 in terms of its price, and of course right now is back at 30, trying to maintain the floor and then going back up again because of the huge demand of this coin. Check this out. It's just phenomenal growth in the last few days. It was somewhere here when I bought it at 11-12, and all of a sudden it's went up to 50, so it's 5 times. It's still at 30, still about 2 and 3x, so not bad, not bad. But let me talk about the actual design of Safemoon. I covered this already, by the way, and I've also created a video, but I'm just going to make it quick. There are 3 aspects of Safemoon: static rewards, LP acquisition, and manual burn. All right, now what this is basically is, as far as static rewards are concerned, the developers wanted it designed this way, right? And the reason why they have static is because, first, it's trying to solve a lot of problems. The reward amount is conditional upon the volume of token being traded. So what happens is, if you sell Safemoon, you get 10% taxed, right? Yeah, you do. So if you sell, you're going to pay 10%. Now, that 10% goes somewhere, right? Well, the good news, 5% goes to existing holders. Not too bad. That's why when you check your wallet and you have Safemoon, it just grows. You automatically get more coins, guys. I'm not kidding. I'm being serious. That's how it is. You actually get more coins when someone sells. And that's the reason why they have it designed this way, where it's 10% tax when you sell, 5% goes to the holders, the other 5% is split 50-50 further into burning, and then of course back to the chain. So that's why they have it static. And the second reason, of course, of this design static is to reflect mechanism, encourage holders to hang on to the tokens, because you don't want to sell, you don't want to pay 10%, right? You'd rather gain more tokens, right? So in theory, manual burn function and a depreciating supply, even a small holder at a beginning could potentially walk away with big money at the end of the token's lifespan. That's the first and very important characteristics. When I went through it in my research and I looked at this coin, I'm like, geez, is this for real? And it is. So hey, I'm in. InvestDesk is in. All right, this is the chart. This is just a graph, a simple graph. The supply is the blue line going downwards, right, from 100 to all the way down, right? In other words, the tokens over time are going to be, since they are burnt, there are no more part of the circulation supply. Therefore, the supply will be limited over time as time progresses. And we know laws of economics, guys, the law of scarcity, simple. If the supply decreases, the price increases. That's how it is. That's how it is. All right. So that's pretty awesome. And of course, manual burns. I talked about that. 5% will be burned if you sell. The other 5% will go to the holder, existing holders. It will be distributed among the holders. So if a whale, for example, sells, 50 billion Safemoon or 1 trillion Safemoon, guess what? Those will be distributed among all of us who are holding and not selling. Awesome. So keep checking your wallet, guys. You're gonna make some serious, money on Safemoon. It seems like it. That's how it is, and it seems to work. And yesterday when I was doing stream, everyone was asking, "Well, is this a scam? Is Safemoon a scam?" So it's not, because I just talked to the developers. I was part of the AMA, and I was just talking to them also, and they just registered their Safemoon LLC in Utah. Go check it out. Google it. You will find a registered company. They have a website which is safemoon.xyz. And today's breaking news right here on this channel for you guys. Let me first see who's on. All right, so the news for today for Safemoon, two news. First, that they are going to be listed on a new exchange, already approved on one exchange, which is whitebits. I covered that in yesterday's stream. But today, they're also getting, or will be getting into in future, in the next days or weeks, on, I think it's called Bitrate. And what these developers did was we raised money because Bitrate wants about $36,000 USD to as fees to be listed on their platform. They have over 300 million users. So awesome, awesome, awesome. And that's breaking news. So definitely the price is going to go up as soon as it gets listed. More exposure, more investors, more buying. The new website, I believe, is safemoon.net. Just found out today myself. It's not up yet. I think there's a landing page there. Go check it out. Let me know. But the existing site is safemoon.xyz. All right. So this is the existing site, and their new site will be safemoon.net, and that's what these guys are working on. So as part of their AMA weekly, this is exciting. So let's get some comments. I said it's up. Which one, safemoon.net or safemoon.xyz? If the XYZ is down, that means it was just a lot of guys, a lot of individuals, people just bombarding the site, so it crashes. That's how it is. So they're moving to a new hosting provider, a new domain, and of course setting up their load balancers, right? That's how it is. So they're moving to the new one. Oh, the new one is up. Oh, awesome. I didn't see it yet. I just found out, but I didn't actually check it. Let me, in fact, check it right now. I'm excited. Awesome. So, yeah, if the site is up, that means things are happening very, very quickly. Very, very quickly. They're awesome, guys. This is super exciting. Let me open this up. For you guys. Thank you for your comments, guys. Awesome. You're a great team. But definitely, here it is. Check this out. Because this morning when I checked, there was a landing page, and now we have, and of course we have a new logo also for Safemoon protocol, right? This is the new logo, and this is awesome. So look at the record holders. This was only at 48,000 2 days ago, guys. The record holders, it's 92,000 in 2 days. If you checked out the old site, I remember this, right? This is awesome. And then of course the liquidity generated, market cap is just growing. It was only 70 million market cap a couple of days ago. It's 170 now, right? And 389.137 trillion tokens burned. Awesome. This is great. Once again, three aspects of this design for Safemoon. It's 100% community driven. That means all the coins within the dev, they burnt it right before giving it to the community, before opening it up. And of course, there's automatic LP. And there's RFI Static Rewards, because holders, we earn 5%, right? If someone sells, 5% is distributed among holders. Hey, so keep checking your wallet, guys. You are going to be earning more coins as you sleep. Here's the roadmap, and this is super, super exciting. We are at Q2, right? Just starting Q2, end of March, April, moving forward. This will be the initial push. We begin taking donations for Bitmart, and this was the news I just broke to you guys on this channel. They will be listing, Safemoon will be listed on Bitmart exchange, and Bitmart is a larger exchange. They have a little over 300 million existing users on Bitmart. So that's super, super exciting. And I think they have collected or gathered the money in terms of donations, and that was just like, they put up for donations, and we just poured in donations, and boom, it's there. So things are moving exponentially with this Safemoon coin. And of course, they'll also begin development of Safemoon wallet and start, pimping merchandise. Safemoon OG NFT conceptualization, right? They are also yet another breaking news, guys. I'm giving you all this insight information, right? Isn't it, right? So you guys can make informed decisions. So yeah, this is awesome. But thanks for being on this channel. Thank you for supporting, by the way. You guys are awesome. We're talking about Safemoon versus Dogecoin. We talked about Dogecoin briefly, but I'm of course now talking about Safemoon as well. So thanks for being on this channel, and thanks for your support in terms of super chat, super stickers. Awesome. You guys are just great. All right. So roadmap, back to the roadmap. Super excited. So right now, in the next week or so, next couple of weeks and moving forward in the second quarter of this year, they'll begin taking donations for Bitmart, but I think they've already achieved this target. That's what they talked about in the AMA weekly meeting. And the good thing about Safemoon developers is that they meet every week and you guys can interact, right? There's a Discord channel. You can go on twitch.tv and they have, their channel is up. So you can talk to them. You can ask them questions. There's Q&A. So it's super exciting, and I've been there. And that's the quarter 2. They will be coming up with an app also, right? A Safemoon wallet. That'd be super excited. So you buy Safemoon, it directly goes into the wallet. No more third parties, no more cumbersome, difficult process to buy Safemoon, just like it is right now. I just put up a video, by the way, how to buy Safemoon at Binance and how to buy Safemoon with your Trust wallet and MetaMask wallet, and you buy your BNB coin, and then you do the BSC chain, and then of course you go to your wallet, and then you go to PancakeSwap, and then you buy. So it's a long process, it's a cumbersome process, but it's worth it. Your money is going to get doubled, right? Well, it did double if you bought it 2 days ago already, 2x, 3x, even 5x. All right, roadmap to quarter 3 is holding the line, which is they will begin listing on multiple exchanges. So this is the massive growth in quarter 3 that they're hoping to get, and gaining partnerships with various large companies to get us to the moon. T-shirts and other apparel will launch. And quarter 4, actually to the moon, that's their goal. So short, sweet, robust roadmap. And quarter 4, they'll enter the NFT marketplace and staking. I don't know what to say. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, guys, right? People sold almost $70 million worth of digital art at Christie's auction last couple of weeks ago. I mean, come on, $60 million? I don't know. It's just crazy. But that's what they're moving towards. And since there's depreciating supply, increased price, guess what? In about 400 or 500 days, a little over a year, all these tokens will be either burnt, that means gone forever, and there will be no more supply. Guess what, guys? That's the driving force of price going up, just like Bitcoin, just like other coins, deflationary design, and that's what it is. And that was one of the reasons why, by the way, I added this to InvestDesk to our portfolio here with Dogecoin, because Dogecoin is just the opposite. Dogecoin is just the opposite. So awesome. Thanks for pointing this out. This is an awesome website, and of course they'll be developing more and more as time progresses. But let's go back to Dogecoin and kind of see how Dogecoin now compares with Safemoon. So Dogecoin is at 0.054, which is about the same level as it was for the last 3 weeks or so, right? So it's not, it went up to 6 cents. It did touch 6 cents, but it's back to 0.05, and that's the floor. And hopefully it's going to maintain this floor, because this floor has been the floor for the last 3 weeks, right? We were hoping that it would maintain a newer floor at 5.8 or 6.0, right? That 6 cents. But I guess it didn't. It just went down to the original floor level. Now, with Dogecoin being an inflationary design, that means there's unlimited supply, and that's what keeps the price low. But it's the people's crypto. The goal of Dogecoin is different from Safemoon, right? The goal of Dogecoin is to be accepted worldwide as day-to-day transactions. If you go buy a cup of coffee, store, buy stuff, you buy it with Dogecoin. So, and that's why when I was trying to decide whether to include Safemoon as part of the Invest Desk portfolio right here for this channel. One of the deciding factors was the unique differences between the two, right? They're not really one or the other, because remember, each crypto, it serves a certain purpose, right? And our portfolio, within our portfolio, we need to kind of distribute our risk also, right? We need to make sure we have some high risk, some low risk, long term, short term. So all of these, so risk management is really the key to investing, whether cryptocurrency or stocks. So, all right, let's get some comments here. Let me go to my comments. All right, welcome guys. Thank you so much for joining. You guys are awesome. It's more professional than the older one. Yeah, the new website absolutely for Safemoon looks pretty cool. So it's, yeah, definitely it's nice. And of course they're just getting into more and more development, because this is exciting for the dev team too. And they were thinking that, hey, this is going to be a long term, but it's not. So they're also doing working as fast as they can. So one of the questions, by the way, on the regular AMA meeting, someone asked the dev team that, hey, you have so many things going on, how are you going to do it? So I liked what they had to say about that. They said, well, even though we have lots of things, we only focus on one thing at a time. And that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. All right, so this is Dogecoin, of course, stable coin, same price, nothing new with Dogecoin for the last couple of days. Pretty stable, which is good. That's what we want. It's at a dip, so we want to buy more, of course, if you want. I was thinking about buying. Maybe I'll, buy tonight sometime, or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. But with Safemoon, it's just incredible. It's just the opposite. So let's go to the chart for Safemoon and see where it's at. So it seems like it's at about 3.000003. That's where it's at. But let's check the coin market cap. It's 3.8. Not too bad. So let's go ahead and refresh. Sometimes we refresh, it goes up, and that's pretty cool, right? So right now it's 100% up. So remember, when I started the stream, this was at 3.2. So it's at 3.8. This is incredible, guys. I don't know what to say. This is just amazing. And you check your wallet, and your wallet just doubles. Your wallet, by the way, shows USD amounts, right, in dollars. So if you invested $1,000, it'll be, I don't know, $3,000. If you invested $10,000, it'll be $30,000 just in 2 days. And that's how it is. So I don't know. But yeah, Safemoon, of course, is going back up again. It's a 100% increase already. It was all the way up to 5.0. So it's at 3.850, and it will continue to go up with the roadmap that we talked about, with the upcoming changes. It's a new coin, guys, right? Relatively new. Into Safemoon today, for example, or now, you're one of the early adopters. I call you guys whales. All of you guys are whales, right? Because the price is so low that even if you were to buy for, let's say, $1,000, you get about 3 billion coins. So that's not too bad. But of course, keep in mind that if you sell, 5% will go to existing holders. So hey, we get coins because people are selling, and we don't want to sell. We hold. So yeah, this is Safemoon. Super wild run on Safemoon. Let me know what you think. Were you able to buy, or are you still having trouble buying? If you are, check out the video I just posted, hands-on tutorial, step-by-step how to buy Safemoon on Binance, and of course using Trust Wallet and Meta Wallet. All right, welcome Nunia. Thanks for joining. Not a green day today. Is there any way to buy Safemoon directly with USD? Not at the moment. You'd have to buy through BNB to BSC, and then connect your wallet. Go to PancakeSwap, and then swap these tokens. Go check out the video. I actually did a hands-on video, step by step. I actually bought it live. and I recorded it. So hey, and I think the price was 0.11, not 38 when I was buying it. And I was just buying it for demo purposes. So I can show it to you guys. But hey, I don't know. I made some money too while doing that. So that's pretty cool. JB, what do you think the target is? You got to buy Safemoon with BNB. Yeah, thanks, Joshy Bear. Appreciate it. Absolutely. That's the only way right now you can buy it because it is on the BSC blockchain. All right. D for Doge. Can I buy Safemoon with ETH? Well, doesn't matter whether it's ETH, Bitcoin, whatever it is. You got to get into the BSC chain, the Binance chain, right? That's what you got to do because the PancakeSwap will only accept that. So yeah, go check out the video. I did a tutorial. So yeah, if you want to buy it, you can. But definitely you can convert any crypto to BNB. Welcome, Demon Wickets. Thanks for joining. Doge and Safemoon are even in the same league. Doge cannot grow the way Safemoon can because its market cap. Yeah, we just talked about the differences. The key differences, of course, one is deflationary, the other one is inflationary. So Doge being inflationary, of course, unlimited market supply, so therefore the price is low. But Doge has its own value. Doge has its own design, and we can't, of course, undermine that. It's long-term crypto. Once this Dogecoin gets accepted in the world as a regular currency, it's going to grow steadily, moving forward. Just like we have inflation, and we also covered inflation as not being a bad thing, guys, right? So, and that's Dogecoin. So we're talking about the differences between Safemoon versus Dogecoin. And Safemoon just relatively new, just 2 months old, 3 months old, just came out, right? And Dogecoin has been around. So if you are thinking in terms of monetary gains, I would probably lean more towards Safemoon because it's right here. Numbers are right in front of you. That's how it is. So in terms of monetary gains, yeah, and guess what, guys? Why are we even in crypto, right? We want to make money. That's why we're here, right? But definitely you want to have your diverse portfolio, and that's important, guys. Not every day is Sunday, right? Not every day is Sunday, right? So there's ups and downs, and high volatility, low volatility periods, depending on what's going on. So we need to stay or keep up with the developments around a particular cryptocurrency. And InvestDesk is this channel where I bring you the latest news updates and forecast for all of these coins that we talk about, so that we know exactly where things are heading. For example, Safemoon is at 3.8 right now, and we talked about Safemoon is already listing, got the approval of listing on whitebits exchange, and they just got their money collected for the Bitrate exchange also, right, which is a larger exchange. So as Safemoon goes further into it, they just got a new website also. They're going to come up with an app, their own wallet. All of this is going to be great. And of course, the scarcity is what drives the price, guys. It's just, we know that, right? So definitely Safemoon in terms of immediate short-term monetary gains, and Dogecoin, in my opinion, of course, long-term monetary gains. And that's a pretty nice combination when you're investing. So on this channel on InvestDesk, we added Safemoon to our portfolio. So when we do our weekly analysis over the weekend, right, this coming Saturday, we'll be taking a look at the gains and of both Safemoon and Dogecoin. So hey, our portfolio is growing. Awesome, super exciting. But yeah, definitely Safemoon for immediate short gains. And this is the chart that you see for Safemoon right here. But this is, I think, a 15-minute. So let me see if I can get it down to 1 minute. Let's check it out. Let's see what happens if I do 1 minute and see the candlesticks here. Since this was a 15-minute chart, so now I just switched to 1 minute. So it's going to almost update itself in less than a minute, right? So let me go ahead and refresh. Awesome. Let me get some comments too. While it's loading up. All right, William, welcome to the channel. If you're new, by the way, to this channel, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button and the bell notification. Do you think Safemoon will hit $1? Well, let me tell you, William, the price 2 days ago was 10. Let me get the price up so you know exactly what I'm talking about right here. So the price 2 days ago was 0.000001011, right? And just 2 days later it's at 3.8. That's about 3x returns. Right now it's 114.28% return. If you just bought it when we started the stream, which is a little over half hour ago, 45 minutes ago, right? Guess what, guys? The price was at 3.0, remember? We saw this. And right now it's at 3.8. So you were in the money already, right? As we speak. So definitely to $1 Safemoon, we just have to get rid of all these zeros. Even if it goes to 1 cent or 0.01, you'll become a millionaire, guys. All of you, right? Hey, do the math. I don't know, there's just so many zeros. I mean, I tried to do the math once on the Excel spreadsheet and I just gave up. I'm serious, I just gave up. I was like, what? There's just so many zeros, man, that I can't look at all these zeros. But you do the math, someone do the math. The developers actually did the math, right? So the tokens are going to be burnt in the next 400 days. No more supply. 400 to 600 days. That's what they said over their AMA meeting, weekly meeting. So if you hold this for 1 year, this is going to be scarce. And not only that, guys, we're talking about NFTs. They're talking about NFTs, non-fungible tokens. They're going to make Safemoon a digital asset. And they're thinking about how they're going to do it. They've not come up with exactly the plan, but that's the idea. If they get this into the NFT space, well, this is going to be crazy. Anyways, we'll see how that pans out. But right now, the price is at 0.038, and of course, it's growing pretty quick. So let's see if the chart is still up. For some reason, it's not loading up the 1 minute chart. But we'll give it a second or two and see if it loads. But let me get some comments here. All right, what's going on? Welcome, Crypto, Doge, welcome. Appreciate you joining. Christofina, welcome, thanks. And if you're new, by the way, to this channel, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button, guys, while you're here. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. And of course, the bell notification so you get notified every single time we have a news update, forecast, and something changes or something is about to change. And I just gave you 2 pieces of breaking news regarding Safemoon today, right? First, of course, they will be listing on yet another exchange. They have already collected the money to pay to the exchange so that Safemoon will be listed. And of course, they'll be coming up with apps, their own wallet also. App development is going to be happening pretty soon. The developers, they meet every week, so they're pretty active. It's not that they disappear and they're slow. No, they're not. They're on it. They're pretty much in love with Safemoon, and that's what it is. That's what I saw as part of the meeting. All right. Harmony One on its way to a top 10 coin from 107 to 59 in the last weeks. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. Is this Safemoon, Harmony, TJ? Yeah, if it is, that's what it is. Safemoon to the moon, you bet. And because of its design, we covered the design, right? Let's check it out. Oh, there's a 1 minute indicator. Perfect. There's a 1 minute chart. Well, that was a big dip, guys. That was a huge dip. It went all the way to 5.0. And of course, to 3, and then back up to 4. And then, of course, right now it's at 3. Let me increase this chart here. There we go. So this is Safemoon. But let's check out the website. Of course, it's a new website, by the way. It's safemoon.net. So spread the word, guys. If you knew, if you know this is the new website address. It's safemoon.net, and it's up. All right, but this is the design we're talking about. I want to scroll down a little bit and talk about the total supply, the burned dev tokens, and pre-sale supply. And this is it. This is the main thing. So Safemoon employs three simple functions: reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. In each trade, the transaction is taxed a 10% fee. So you make money either way, even if you don't buy, even if you do not buy, and even if the price does not go up, right? So hypothetically speaking, let's assume the price, it just remains constant. It's not going to happen, but let's assume you will still add up your tokens in your wallet. Why? Because anytime someone sells, you get a bonus. 5% is redistributed to all existing holders. That's what I see here. And then the other 5% is split 50-50, half of which is sold to the contract back into BNB, while the other half of the Safemoon tokens are paired automatically with the previously mentioned BNB and added as a LP on PancakeSwap. Check it out. I think it's a great design. I think, instead of whales dumping and, getting rich and, retail investors are just getting, squished or whatever it is, whatever you even call it, right? With this Safemoon protocol, it's not the case. So even small time holders of the coin are actually going to benefit, which is exciting, which is not bad. So therefore, and that's one of the reasons why it's just grown exponentially. And of course, there's a safety mechanism where there's a step-by-step plan to ensure 100% safety of Safemoon. First, the dev burned all tokens in the dev wallet prior to launch. That's not too bad. So they gave everything out. Everything is transparent. It's out in the community, right? They don't have any tokens in the dev wallet. Step 2, they had a fair launch on the DX sale. Step 3, the LP is locked on DX Locker for 4 years. And of course, step 4 is LP generated with every trade and locked on Pancake. So it's pretty safe. And we talked about the roadmap already, what's happening and what will happen. And this is on their website also. Same thing. So let me know in comments, what do you think about Safemoon? And of course, we talked about Dogecoin too, and we're talking about Safemoon versus Dogecoin. They're two different. One is inflationary, one is deflationary, one is pretty much both are long term, but they serve a different purpose. Dogecoin is for transacting on a day-to-day basis. So you want to buy something, you use Dogecoin. You cannot use Safemoon, right? It's not designed for that. Safemoon is more towards going as scarcity very, very quickly, like NFT space, depreciating supply with increasing price and so on. So yeah. All right, let's get some comments here. Welcome, Shab. Thanks so much. Hello, guys. Safe to the moon. Yes, we are going to go to the moon. Trust Wallet and Binance both are broken or under maintenance. Yeah, that's true. Someone else also told me that, Syed. Thanks for bringing this up. They're in maintenance. Why? Because I don't know. I think people, we want to buy Safemoon, guys, but their sites cannot handle all this traffic. This is incredible. This is just absolutely incredible. I don't know the reason. I'm just assuming things, making things up here, guys, but maybe. Yeah, we can do that once in a while, can't we? But yeah, someone check it out. If I find more information about Trust Wallet and Binance, why they're down, why they're in maintenance, what happened, I'll let you guys know. Red Dragon, welcome to the channel. If you're new, by the way, make sure you subscribe and smash that like button and the bell notification. I made a lot from just holding Safemoon. That's what Red Dragon says. Absolutely. You want to hold, because that's the key to crypto, guys. And if you are an experienced investor, if you've been in this space for a while, you know how it is, right? We can't, day trade crypto. Crypto is not for day trading. You definitely want to hold. And that's why we do our weekly analysis every week about Dogecoin. And of course, now that we have a new coin added to our Invest Desk portfolio here right on this channel, because this is your #1 channel for daily news, forecasts, and updates. So we have added this. Now I'm going to be maintaining an Excel spreadsheet and doing some crunching some numbers so we can evaluate over the weekend. Absolutely. And that's what it is. All right, G Wills, welcome. Thanks for joining in. Thanks for tuning in. Safemoon is the premier safe token. Don't settle for copycats like SafeMars or SafeStart. Yeah, by the way, there's SafeX, there's SafeMoon. There's so many other variations of SafeMoon, by the way. So excellent point, G Wills. Thanks for bringing it up. Thanks for the comment. Appreciate it. You want to make sure that Safemoon, you want to get to the real Safemoon, right? You want to get to the real moon, not some other moons. Yeah, definitely. Thanks. D for Doge, I cannot emotionally handle day trading. Yeah, it's pretty tough. I've done it for many years, and it's really it takes a lot of nerve because you got to be on top of things. You got like 50 gazillion screens up there, and it's just crazy. Yeah, definitely, it's a tough job. In fact, when I graduated from college with the finance degree, one of my first jobs, and this was early 90s, guys, long time ago at Merrill Lynch. I remember, can't forget my first job. It was just crazy. All right, let's see what else. Rohan, welcome to the channel. I bought in a week ago at 0.0005 and sitting almost 10x profit, Rohan. You bet. Congratulations. 10 times. So if you invested $1,000, what is that, $10,000 10 times? Yeah, not bad. And that's just in a week. So if you invested 100,000, you'll be a millionaire in a week. I don't know. That's how it is. So let's check the price. Let's see where Safemoon is. One more time. It's at 3.7, which is 111% gain. And of course, Dogecoin is still at 0.054. It's a pretty stable. It's going to stay this way. And by the way, for Dogecoin, if you've been following this channel every day, I cover Dogecoin pretty much every single day. This is our favorite baby. And we have seen that the last 3 weeks, Dogecoin has made about 40% profit, right? That's what the numbers showed last weekend when we ran and did our portfolio analysis. It was 40%, all right, for the 3 weeks. But Safemoon is giving you, 10x in a week. Wow. Plus, it's a new coin. It's a relatively new coin. So this is the time to get in. So if you get in at this price, right, at this time, at this stage, definitely all these zeros, the point zeros, they're probably going to disappear over time, right? It's going to come to 1 penny, 1 cent, 0.01. And that means all of you will be millionaires on this channel, guys, if you have Safemoon in your portfolio. Once again, the decision is yours. You have to decide based on your own trading strategy, investing strategy. But we're talking about the differences between Dogecoin and Safemoon. Both coins are in my portfolio, of course, here on the Invest Desk channel, right here for you guys. And I made this, public portfolio, so we keep adding, and of course, we're growing this in both of these coins together, so you can see the profitability analysis every week as we grow this, not only this channel. And by the way, I'm humbled by the exponential growth of this channel also, because all of you guys are awesome. Thanks for supporting. All right, let's check a couple of more things. I want to go to the Reddit here, and let's evaluate Dogecoin and Safemoon on Reddit, so we know the differences between the two. All right. So Dogecoin has 1.2 million members, so pretty substantial on Reddit, and about 3.6 thousand people online at this point in time, right now, out of 1 million, right? So yeah, this is Dogecoin, and I've been covering this. You can check this Reddit channel out. We're talking about the differences, right? Safemoon. Let's get to Safemoon. Let me see if I can find Safemoon here. There we go. Safemoon has about 17,958 members only, whereas Dogecoin has 1.2 million, right? And out of the 1.2, 3,600 are online. Now with Safemoon, check this out. Almost 18,000 members only, but 4,000 are online. Look at how many people are active. Out of 18,000 with Dogecoin, since we're comparing Dogecoin versus Safemoon, in Dogecoin we had 1.2 million members, but only 3,500, 600 were online. And here with only 18,000 members and grown like crazy, 4,000 are online. And they also have this lounge, by the way. It's a live lounge, Safemoon Lounge. If you want to go chat live, you can do so. And yeah, so let's take a look at Safemoon and all these active community members on Reddit. And this is also a helpful way. Of course, you want to be on Reddit, and I'm sure you all are already. But this is the Reddit community, the difference between Dogecoin and Safemoon in terms of Reddit community. All right, let's get some comments here. Let me see, where are my comments? Welcome Harrison, thanks for joining in. Welcome Lit, welcome Scara, thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, by the way, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every single time I come up with a new video. Safemar is up 500%, 2 years old. Yeah, that's true. Wouldn't that tax you 10%? So if you sold at 1 million, you actually get 900K. Yes, Red Dragon, absolutely. Good comment. We covered this already, but yes, you do get taxed 10%. 5% out of that 10% goes back to existing holders. So we get more coins, we get more money. So if you sell, the rest of the holders are going to get more money, right? So that's not too bad. Go check your wallets. It's going to keep growing. Your wallet is going to keep growing even if the price doesn't go up, by the way. That's the beauty of Safemoon. Odinga, welcome. Where do you buy Safemoon? I just uploaded a video and step-by-step tutorial, Odinga. Go check that out just this morning on this channel right here on Invest Desk. So make sure you subscribe and smash that like button and go check out the video. It shows step-by-step. I demonstrate how to buy it step-by-step. And I bought it at 11 cents. Even though, by the way, I was recording this for demo purposes for you guys, I'm up 3x on whatever I bought. And I think I bought a couple of billion. I bought quite a many on that tutorial. So just making the tutorial has made me a lot of money. So yeah, it was awesome. You want to check this video out. Thanks so much. All right, SG, thanks for joining in. What's your thoughts on Safemoon prediction? Well, let me show you what I think. And again, this is just my opinion. Where's the price? Right now, the price is at 3.7, which is, of course, this is a dip. This is a dip. Let me show you the chart right here. Safemoon experienced just a little while ago this huge dip from 0.5 from 05 to 03, right? And of course it's at 03, 31, 32, somewhere around here, right? That's a 1 minute lag for this chart. Now, based on check this chart out, check where it starts. There it is. So this is where the coin was launched, just in March, a month ago, right? And if you look at the exponential growth, it's going to continue to grow. And right now it's a dip, so definitely it's going to go back up. And this time, if it go higher than 5 cents, it will definitely, we'll see a zero get out of the actual price. So getting to a price where we can actually buy and hold would be awesome. And once again, since the design of the coin is that if someone sells, you make money anyways, right? You make money, and that's pretty cool. That's not bad. All right, Oscar, thanks so much for joining. When do you expect Dogecoin to go up? Well, Dogecoin went up 6 cents. It touched the ceiling 6 cents. We were hoping that it would maintain that floor, but Dogecoin didn't hold that floor, so it's back to 0.054, which is about the average for the last 3 weeks, and that is the floor at 0.054, which is still, we're still in profit. Invest Desk, this channel, when we bought Dogecoin, we bought it at, our average cost is less than 4 cents. So right now it's 5.5, so not bad. We're still up. We're still about 40% up on our portfolio on this channel with Dogecoin. In the long run, as Dogecoin gets more accepted, like with CoinFlip ATMs, with MasterCard, Visa thinking about stable currencies, with institutional investors getting into crypto portfolios, and that's all of this is in the making, right? So as time progresses, as time passes, in the next quarter or so, we'll see some additional developments. Definitely long term, no doubt about it. I've always been saying this in every single stream I do every day about Dogecoin. It is a long-term coin, a long-term crypto to be added to your portfolio. But Safemoon is just quick. It's just way, way, way quick, right? So this is where you actually make money. And we want to be able to make money too, guys, right? Not just hold for nothing, right? And after all, hey, we're in it to make some good, bucks. That's what we do. But yeah, that's what the Dogecoin is. So we're talking about the difference between Safemoon versus Dogecoin. And Safemoon is going to make, is already making people a lot of money, guys, right? It's already making people. I think Binance is also under maintenance, and Trust Wallet is also under maintenance. I just saw the comments up here somewhere, so I don't know. Someone check it out and see if Binance is up in the US. You go to binance.us. All right, let's check some comments. Red Dragon, Safemoon could end up like Dogecoin in a short period of time. Huge gain. Only worry is for whales who dump, but we benefit as well from the tax. Yeah, I mean, look at the dump, look at the dip. So that means that if the whales are, we are actually collecting the 5% are being distributed to all of us, all of the existing holders. So that's not too bad. All right, Ogsy, welcome to the channel, by the way. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, smash that like button, and of course the bell notification so you get notified every time there is news, updates, and forecasts. All right, Ogsy, comment, won't let me trade BNB to Smart Chain. Yeah, it takes a while because I think there's a lot of pressure, a lot of just a lot of traffic to these sites. A lot of traffic. And why? Let's check out the trading volume of Safemoon. Trading volume, let's check it out. 200% up. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. When we started the stream, this was at 142% up. Now it's 200% in the last 24 hours, right? This is just incredible, guys. The price is going to go up one more time. It is going up. You see it right here. And that's what's happening. So the trade volume is up. That means people are buying. And how do you feel about Safemoon today? I feel good. Yeah, it works. So yeah, that's one of the reasons, right? So the price change is almost 100%. You double your money, right? For example, I bought it a couple of days ago. It's just 3 times. That's how it is. In fact, I made a tutorial on how to buy Safemoon, and I just uploaded a video. And go check out the tutorial. My price in that tutorial is 11 at 1.1 or 1.2 or 1.3, somewhere around there. Right now it's at 3.4, and it's still going up. Of course, it was at 5.0. It went all the way up to 5.0. That's not too bad. So definitely good gains, good immediate, especially if you're jumping in this early stages, guys, right? So think about it. Do your homework. Make sure you run your numbers, do your homework, you assess all of the pros and cons of this crypto coin. But Invest Desk, this channel, we're on, right? We're in. I'm in, right? And of course, Safemoon is now part of this portfolio. So whether we hold the long term, and of course that's my personal strategy, by the way, of course everyone has their own, is always buy and try to hold, because that's really the key in crypto, right? Crypto is key. Look at Bitcoin, guys. 10 years ago, Bitcoin was less than 10 cents. It was just pennies. 10 years ago. I don't know. Check it out. It's it's crossing its new highs. It crossed 60K last week, right? So I don't know. That's how it is. So definitely a long-term gain, right? But Safemoon is making people money like crazy. 2 days, three times, you know, 3 days, 5x, 10x. That's just awesome. So I don't know. Um, but yeah, this is the Safemoon's price chart, of course, and of course we have Dogecoin. We looked at the differences between the design of the two coins being inflationary and deflationary, and the long-term strategies. We talked about those, the main differences. We also evaluated the Reddit communities of Dogecoin and Safemoon protocol. They're just two different coins. Each coin is, by the way, is different, so we can't really compare two together unless they're really, really close to each other. They serve a different purpose. I think Safemoon is more towards the NFT space, depreciating, coins in a year's time. So this is it. This is it's just going to make a lot of people a lot of money, and it is already doing so. Whereas Dogecoin is for the long haul. It is for the long run. It is a people's cryptocurrency. It's designed that way, and therefore it's going to grow accordingly. So developers, and we talked about the differences here between Safemoon and Dogecoin. The developers of Safemoon, they hold a weekly AMA meeting on their Discord channel, on Twitch, and of course I don't miss it. I was part of the meeting, and you can ask questions and so on. So they're very, very active. They have a nice plan. They have a nice roadmap, and they are dedicated. Whereas Dogecoin developers are just starting to come up with their updates and so on. So in comparison, Dogecoin development is of course a little slower than the Safemoon development. All right, so those are the top differences that I can think of. I'm sure if there are other ones you can think of, let me know. Put it in comments so we know what it is. And here's the video, by the way. Those of you guys who would like to know how to buy Safemoon step by step, this is the video I just uploaded this morning. It's a tutorial. It's a hands-on tutorial. I actually show you step by step how to do it. Yeah, go check it out if you need to buy Safemoon at Binance, right? That's what I demonstrated at Binance. And by the way, if you're in the United States, like we are, 41 states allow Binance. East Coast, I'm on the East Coast, for example, New York, Connecticut, New Hampshire, they do not have Binance. So make sure you're able to go to Binance.us. If you do not have Binance, you can always use Trust Wallet. You can use Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, and of course, I talked about this, by the way, too, in yesterday's stream, where you can buy it that way also. So these are the differences, guys. Let me quick check some comments here, see how we're doing. Thanks for being on this channel. Thank you for your support. I appreciate it. Yeah, these are all the updates I have regarding Safemoon versus Dogecoin. I'm going to be focusing and keeping a watchful eye on Safemoon, guys, right? And that's really, really the key, especially for the next week or so, because it is going to be moving pretty quick, right? Because of the trading volume is very, very high. Very, very high. So we are going to take a look at and see how this works, and how it all pans out. And that's really what I'm hoping to do. All right, so that's all I had. Where am I? Here I am. Welcome, guys. So we talked about the differences of Safemoon versus Dogecoin. Safemoon making money for a lot of you guys. So I'm super excited to research Safemoon, of course, take a look at the design and how it's structured, and then, of course, add it to Invest Desk. This is the channel for you, and thank you for your support. I really, really appreciate. We have grown, tremendously in the last few weeks or so. I'm super humbled by your love and support for this channel. And of course, I also work hard to bring you the updates so you can make informed decisions. So thanks so much, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in. And thank you for all the support, the super chats, super stickers to this channel. We're going to be doing some weekly giveaways next week, printing t-shirts of Dogecoin, of course. And now that I think of it, maybe Safemoon too. Hey, as part of our portfolio, why not? And we run our weekly analysis every weekend. We run the numbers. We see what the profits are for the last week, couple of weeks, month, and so on. So I keep track of the Excel spreadsheet. So we do that too. So make sure you subscribe and hit the like button and the bell notification so you get notified every time I'm up. So thanks so much again. I gotta run. Appreciate you joining on this channel. Let me know in comments if you need me to cover any other topic, any other coin, or anything that you have on your mind. I'll be more than happy to get that out. And of course, on this channel, you'll see it. So thanks so much. Have yourself a wonderful day or evening, wherever you are in the world. And I will see you in the next